What's up, guys? Ryan from I Teach Credit. As you know, this is my card, and I'm always trying to find ways to help you live a better life with better credit. And I wanted to share a cool little story with you. I'm going to share my screen right now. I found this yesterday. They had updated my credit score, and I wanted to explain something and how the power of utilization. As you can see, this is my score right now. This is with American Express. This is one of the tools that they have. They have two different scores, actually. But this is one of the tools that they had and that they shared with me, and it said your score went up 23 points as of January 4th. When I checked at the history, you can see my history back in March and April was 802, shot up to 808 for July and August, and then it dropped significantly. And I'm going to explain exactly what happened and how I was able to quickly rebound the score. Basically, what happened was in October, I went on vacation with my family. And then as November started, we started making all the deposits for our wedding for this coming October. So what does that mean? My utilization spiked and skyrocketed. Now, typically I pay my credit cards all off in full at the end of the month. But because of the wedding and we have a bunch of expenses that are hitting at once, I'm still putting all the spend on my credit card, but then I was able to get a personal loan through American Express so that all that debt can be paid over a period of time without paying high credit card interest. And by having the personal loan, it doesn't affect my credit score by having a higher utilization factor. That's why utilization is so important. That's why I stress, make sure you're always keeping low balances. In this type of situation, yes, I put heavy expenses on the credit cards. I then have a small personal loan just so that I can spread it out a little bit. This way, it doesn't interrupt any of my other investments, and I still maintain a very high credit score. Actually, as you can see, my score went from an 808 to 810, and it's probably going to go up even a little bit more next month. So I'll do a continuation video of this. But hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you want to learn more, if you have questions, send me some messages. Put some comments below, email me, text me, whatever you have to do. I want to do everything I can to teach you how to have better credit so that you can live a better life. All right. I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the day, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.